Hey guys, here with another quick video. Be sure to subscribe for more video and content just like this. And this just happened to me today. So this video is just more or less if you're buying a name from Namecheap, a domain name, and maybe you've set up a WordPress site through their Easy WP, and for some reason when you go to log in, it maybe doesn't recognize your email address, or maybe it doesn't recognize you. So this here was something that they gave me. If you go to namecheap.com/app/dashboard, you will get taken here, and this is where you can go ahead on the inside. You click on that little octopus icon there. Now you're inside the dashboard, and these are all the sites that I have, you'll see. And all you have to do is basically just click on whatever you're looking to check out. So I couldn't get into this one here. This is my coffee cup full site. Click on it and head over to the admin part. And that's it. So hopefully that helps out if you do get stuck and you can't seem to get into your site. So again, just an easy way to get there if you need to.